Card tricks. Gagawa tayo ng tatlong piles. Every piles may 7 pieces of card, right? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 7. Now, pili ka ng isang piles. Ito. Pili ka ng isang card, tapos pakita mo sa camera, pagkatapos patong mo dito.
Yan. Di pa ha, wala
Hindi ko nakikita yan ha.
Okay na.
Kung nakikita yan, alright.
Dito.
Okay, patong mo na.
Yes.
Okay, tapos na, tinatungan niya. Right. Tapos huhulaan ko yun. Okay. Ngayon, kukuha ka ng small amount of cards. Maybe 5 or less than. Small amount of cards. Small amount of cards.
Ay, apat na lang.
Oo, sige,
Apat na.
Oo, sige. Itago mo. Lagay mo sa likod mo. Itago mo kung saan mo nilagay. Alright? Tinago lang niya. Okay? So, magbilang ako ng 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 cards. Bilangin mo ang cards mo.
Apat.
Apat. So, bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung card mo? Yung card niya? Alright, man. Okay. Simple.